Adult Patient Monitor BPL Excello. It is intended to be used in various hospital rooms such as CCUs, ICUs, NICUs, etc. The accessories include the temperature probe, SpO2 sensor along with extension cable and ECG electrode, NIBP cuff. Put the power cable end into the AC current socket on the back of the monitor. Plug the temperature cables into the temperature sockets of the monitor. The monitor has two ports for body temperature measurement to measure two channels at the same time. Plug the SpO2 sensor cable into the SpO2 socket of the monitor. Plug the air hose of the cuff into the NIBP socket of the monitor and tighten it clockwise to ensure secure contact. Plug the ECG cable into the ECG socket of the monitor. Press the power switch on the front panel of the monitor. About 30 seconds after the monitor is switched on, after passing the self-examination of the system, the monitor enters the monitoring screen. Press the menu button and the main setup window will appear. Use the trim knob to move the cursor right and press it when the cursor reaches short trend. Now short trend diagrams relevant to the parameters will be displayed on the upper left corner of the waveform. Similarly, set the screen to oxyCRG mode in which the trend diagrams of heart rate, oxygen saturation and respiration within 8 minutes are displayed under the waveform. Now select the other bed mode. Press the menu button and select Monitor from the main setup. Set the volume of beep and options are off, 1, 2 and 3. After one selection is made, a testing beep sound will be produced. Set the alarm volume and options are off, 1, 2 and 3. Click and open the dialog of waveform configuration. Set ECG 1 as waveform 1, Cascade as waveform 2, SpO2 as waveform 3 and respiration as waveform 4 with the help of trim knob. All other waveforms are set to off. You can however set more parameters if you need. Select Previous to go back. Click and open the dialog of Configuration of Trend Storage. Select the cycle intervals of trend storage and options are off, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Set the interval time of 1 minute. Enable or disable as per requirement. Click and open the dialog of Short Trend Diagram. Select the time interval of Short Trend Diagram. Select the trend scale of heart rate, oxygen saturation, respiration and ST segment. Come back to the monitor setup. Now, under System Setup, select the dialog of Time Configuration. After the time of the system has been configured, please restart the monitor and come back. Select the patient type to Adult. Click on Alarm Levels. All parameter alarms can be configured. If the alarm level of a certain parameter is to be configured, first move the cursor to the alarm level of that parameter. Press the option and then select the alarm level. Click and open the dialog of Machine Maintenance. Enter the interface of Machine Maintenance and it is necessary to enter the password. System Info displays vital system information such as version, module serial number, etc. Switch on or switch off demonstration function with the demo function. Click and open the dialog of Arrhythmia Review and the arrhythmia data for 8 seconds are displayed on each screen, that is, the ECG waveforms for 4 seconds before and after the occurrence of the event, and a maximum of 128 groups of abnormal data can be stored for search. Click and open the dialog of Common Parameters Alarm. It can set up the alarm limits of common parameters. Open the dialog of ST Alarm. If the ST analysis is not configured, this option is invalid. Click and open the dialog of ECG Analysis Alarm. It can set the alarm limits of various arrhythmia. Configure the volume of alarm and options are off, 1, 2 and 3. Once a level is selected, a testing beep will be produced. New patient terminates the monitoring of the current patient and initiates the monitoring of a new patient. Patient Info provides the input and helps browse patient information such as case number, name, height, weight, gender, age, room number, bed number, and pace. Click and open the dialog of Drug Concentration. Open the Calculation tool of Drug Concentration and it provides the calculation and printing of drug calculation and titration tables. Select HRV Analyze to set the type of histogram. Select the standby option and the monitor will switch to standby mode. The alarm reset option allows to reset the alarms. Select Back to Main to see the monitoring screen. Press the power button and a dialog box will appear. Select OK to turn off the monitor.